整个城镇都变成银白世界，除雪机不断运作，但简直就是九牛一毛。日本大雪不断，许多地区的交通都被打乱。新干线因为大雪降速误点，影响超过13万名旅客，还有66个航班被取消。大雪造成的伤亡也不断增加。 地球另一端的美国，暴风雪已经大到完全看不见前面的路，恐怖的冬季风暴席卷，在极冻的天气之下，24号大雪又造成50万户断电，简直就是雪上加霜。数千个航班取消，交通大打劫，彻底打乱美国人的耶诞假期。
Our whole airport shut down, so we drove to Omaha, Nebraska, got on a flight there, then DC, delayed in DC. And now we're here.
冬季风暴让美国各地都创下低温的新纪录，纽约迎来1906年以来的最冷平安夜。加拿大也同样被大雪肆虐，连火车都因为恶劣天气被取消，民众就这样拖着行李被困在车站。
Waiting around here, and then to hear that the train has been canceled has been pretty, devastating because I want to go home. I'm waiting for a cab. To go to a hotel and stay there for a day, hopefully, just a day.
And unfortunately, the trains were all cancelled for today. So just trying to get back home for the holidays now.
冬季风暴冰封全球许多国家，不止造成交通大乱，还频频酿成伤亡。今年耶诞节真的不好过。镜新闻史方宇、周成威报道。
下载镜新闻 App， 一手掌握新闻时事，尽善尽美，尽好新闻。